Hello everyone, welcome to Cindy's Cottage. So yesterday I did a craft supply shopping and wanted to share them with you. So I shopped my craft supplies from Shah Nagardas and KM Traders. So the decors were purchased from the local shop called Haridas. So these shops are located in Ruwi area, Muscat. Let's get started with the decor items. So bought these candles from Haridas, beautifully packed in an wooden box. So the yellow one is jasmine scent, and there were other options for me as well, lavender, apple, orchid, etc. But I like this better. And these are the small ones. So there are 5 different scents in this. How cute this lantern looks. So this is a candle as well. This can be dismantled. So I guess once I'm done with the candle, again it goes as a very good decor. I might use this as a planter, or I think I could even use this as a stationery organizer. I found this wooden trunk plate. So this maybe I would use this as a centerpiece in my dining table or just as a decor. Now to my craft supplies and stationery. So I bought 2 jute cord in different sizes. I'll be using these cords for decorating my mason jars or making organizers, and 2 cotton cords in different sizes. Also found this multicolored thread bundle, so I might use this for any hanging purposes in my projects. These are popsicles in 2 sizes. I purchased this PFP for making figurines, etc. And after a very long search, I found this Amsterdam varnish. I will use this on my project and will surely give a review on this varnish. Bought my first glue gun. Trust me, this is my very first time that I'm gonna try a glue gun. Wish me luck, guys. I have some pots that need some makeover. So bought this pastel pink chalk paint, and bought this effective liner. So this would give a very nice pearl look for my projects. And I also bought 2 acrylic painter pens. It's a water-based pen, and this will save my time when I do adjust to my projects. This one is a silver paint marker, so this can be used on any surfaces such as glass, metal, stone, plastic and wood. Also bought this 3 brush packed round brushes. Also shot some brown papers, crepe papers in the color red and green for making flowers, and found this cute pink gift wrapper. Also bought these glitter sheets. This I'll be using for making flowers as well. So last but not least, there are some odds and ends that I purchased which wasn't in my list. I found this pink cup for my green tea, these cute paper roses for my craft projects, and some hooks. And that's all for today. Thank you all for watching. I'll share the shop links and other details. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.